I'm gonna get you a tap on the gas, or you wanna hold it? You look in there, you can see the headline in there.
Oh, yeah.
Well, it look good on it.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, I told you.
Yeah, doing lifestyle, doing lifestyle. I got a box too, got an ace on it, got another box Chevy too. Yeah, I need y'all. I need y'all. Got a box Chevy too with the order 28. Subscribe to my channel, you can check out my page. Got an 87 box Chevy too, yeah it's great. Had a truck on 30, man, I think it was an 8. Oh yeah, man, I forgot the colors. I was thugging, yeah, up in the color. The seat was bucket, my driveway was flooded. I was hustling, we turned nothing to something. Hit that button, hit that button. Post notifications, hit that button. Subscribe the channel, hit that button, hit that button, hit that button.
What's good with YouTube, man? It's your boy Doinks, man. Y'all already know what's up, man. Every time I get on this thing, I'm speaking, I'm talking, I'm chilling, goddamn motivated. Because we finna go drop this bad boy off today, man. We're gonna get these Flowmaster put on. I got it in the back seat. I know y'all probably can't see it, but we about to go on and get this other Flowmaster on, man. So we about to see how that gonna go. Yeah, man, we about to see how that gonna go, man. So I'm so excited. They told me a price that I had to take that one, man. Yeah, everybody tell y'all different prices, you know what I'm saying? So y'all know I'm cheap, but I ain't that damn cheap. Well, take that back, I am cheap. But they down the street, so I could have went to Jackson, you know what I'm saying? But they were gonna charge me like, what, almost 500 just to goddamn run the other pipe. Cause they said they gotta take both sides down and run these duals and all that, but hell, I'm like, damn. But Midas told me like 230, 220 in that ballpark range. So we're gonna go from there, man. Then they down the street, so I ain't gotta worry about going all the way to Jackson. And then like when I do go out there to Jackson, they close like 4:30 because they ain't getting that much business as they used to. So they closed at 4:30. Not only that, by the time I get out work and go there, they always say they ain't gonna, you know, be able to get to it. I had to drop it off one morning. It's kind of hard, you know what I'm saying, about, you know, me and my wife working. So I called Midas, they down the street from the house, so we're gonna go from there, man. They do exhaust work too, so y'all that didn't know, Midas do exhaust work. They do everything. I would get them to change this, what's the name out too? This pigment on. I would get them to change the pigment on while they edit. But I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna think on it. But yeah, man, we're gonna do that. So y'all stay tuned to the channel. Yeah, I might ask them, man. I'm gonna see how much they'll charge me for the pigment on. Go and put that on. Just go from there. So everything will be done probably tomorrow. But yeah, guys, so we ride, we rolling. You know what I'm saying? Y'all new to the channel, man, subscribe to the channel, baby. We going up, man, 25K, man. We on the road, 25K. Let's get 25K by the end of this month. I think the end of this month, 25K gonna be coming in. So let's get there, man. All right, we're gonna park this bad boy right in front of this car. We're gonna go from there. We're gonna park it right here. All right. Yeah, it's a little car right there. We're gonna park it right here. Gonna let them know I'm outside. Get this thing over with. Boom, take my keys out. I'm gonna leave it here. Come back, get it tomorrow, man. That headline look beautiful, y'all. Y'all can't tell me I ain't do my thing. So yeah, guys, we out, man. We'll catch y'all back on another one. Yes, sir. Me the road.
You leave me in the battlefield.
I promise you. I don't know what's going on with y'all. Boy, this. Woo. Yeah, I got a loud house today, man. All right, man. So, y'all, we got the pink thing going, man. Like I said, man, we working around here. You know what I'm saying? So, that's all we got to do, man, is work, grind, bro, grind. I'm actually finna go grab me some food. I want to dry this thing. I'm gonna dry this tomorrow at work. So, just have to check my tires all the time, man. Definitely check my tires, make sure. All right, let's take a step back, man. Y'all missed this thing. I know y'all did, man. I was close. I was this close selling these wheels. I like how she sit in there, though. I was real close selling these wheels, man, but I don't know. What I want to say, man, is I got a few odds and ends I gotta do to this car too. God damn. Let me get in here. I got a few odds and ends I gotta do to this car. So number one is definitely I want to get my motor counter rebuild, but I want to throw me a cam in here. I definitely want to do me a cam, y'all. Definitely want to throw a cam in this car. You know, because I look at it like I ain't gonna do one in my old car. I mean my other car, so I'm gonna do one in here. Definitely want to do that, man. Y'all like the door jam, man. She's looking good, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, I want to do the digital dash in here, the door jams. The digital dash, and I want to do a cam. So I might, I don't know, man. It's one of them things that later on down the line I'm gonna have to do one, like not right now, but what I'm gonna do when I do get the cam, I'm gonna go ahead and get the cam and the digital dash. I'm gonna get all that shit at the same time. And I might just let the dude do the cam and go on and put the dash in, get everything set. And only thing I might have to do is get it tuned, because he might just tune it enough to get me rolling. And then after that, I might be good. If I don't do that, I got to shop deck and tune and do all that stuff. You know what I'm saying? I got to keep saying that because it's one of them things that, you know, once you keep watching the video, you'll kind of forget. So I just want to remind y'all. So, you know, it ain't going to take a second, man, just to pause real quick, go and find me, subscribe, and go from there. But we're going to crank this thing up. She fire right up on the money every time. Like I said, that's one thing you got to worry about. And I like it because I used to have a carburetor, man. I used to crank, pat the gas. And crank. Now I can just get in there and just crank. So that's a good thing. What the hell? What the hell they doing? Come with this motherfucker swerve. And flying too. But yeah, guys, finna go grab some food, man. We'll come back to the house, man. That's gonna be it for today. I don't know why I feel like old boy wants a little street action with me, but he look I can't get in front of him. That's how we finna do this. That's exactly how we finna do this. Damn, you got in the turning lane, man. Oh man, you got in the turning lane. Oh man. Damn, he's driving the shit out that truck. He got in the turning lane, so I don't think he want no smoke, y'all. We're gonna let him slide. We're gonna slide today. We're gonna let him slide. Oh. Oh! Ah! Damn, I wasn't expecting that. I wasn't expecting that. I was not expecting that, y'all. Oh, dude went right past me. I wasn't expecting that. He gonna roll right past me though. slow like a motherfucker. God damn. I gotta. Damn. Man, I feel embarrassed, man. I was pushing this motherfucker, though. He got me, though. Whoever that was, he got me. I ain't gonna lie. Let me let down the window. Damn. That's why I need some motherfucking giddy up. Y'all comment down below. Y'all let me know if y'all was beside him, what would y'all would have do? What would y'all would have did? If y'all were beside him, what y'all would have did? Y'all would have burnt out on the man. Y'all would have smashed out on him. Come on now. Yeah, he got me. See, I was really going for the other truck. And I fucked my damn motor up in this motherfucker trying to catch over him. I was burning a little rubber, man. It wasn't even burning like that, though. Y'all know, like, when I was hitting on the damn gas with my foot on the gas brake, it was spinning over, but it didn't have that. Oh, there come Pearl Police right there. It didn't have that. Goddamn. It's like when I was hitting on the gas, it was spinning. It didn't have that. Wow. I need some power. I need some more power, man. That get it up, that's what I need. Now, if I would have had some 410s in here and a cam, I think I would have kept up with them. Cause I gotta think about it, man. These big ass 30s, you know. I should have had my factors on. If I had my factors on, I probably would have got it, or at least got close. But I had, god damn, he got me, y'all. It's all good. I'm gonna remember you. If you watching this channel, you probably know who I am, cause you started snoring when you beside me, and you knew. I think I rammed my engine a little bit, and you knew who I was or whatever. So if you watching this channel, I thought that was him. Oh no, that wasn't him. So if you watching this channel, man, I'm gonna get you, man. We gonna link. We gonna catch each other, and we gonna link when I get right. I'm gonna see you around on the street. I promise you, I'm gonna see you around the street, man, when I get right one day. So whoever you are, I know you watching this channel, because you know what this car is, and you probably gonna look at this video and say, that was me, and it's gonna be vice versa.